some satin flower. I saw a movie and a lot of videos on Pinterest, and I want to do it again this time self. And okay, let's get started. If you want to measure it up, I cut a little bit cotton in a strip. I fold it in two, and this is my measurement. I have here satin. It is a wider satin than I used before. How bigger and wider it is easy to use it, and what we're gonna make it. Okay, what we're gonna do is fold it up, fold just like more in that pieces, and it will be my measurements. What can I do before? Okay, I'm gonna fold this up. I'm gonna keep it up. Same length, same measurements. I need 12 pieces. Okay, we're gonna use it before. Can I look how much I made it? One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Okay. Seven, 8, 9. Okay, that sure will do it. This one a little bit smaller. Okay, so I have all my pieces. Now I'm gonna use a lighter. Okay, children, don't use it. Ask always your parents. And using a lighter is very dangerous. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna fold this one just like this. And I fold the another one over it, just like this. And now we're going to use the lighter. It is hot. Now this works. I'll do it again. Now another half, and fold it up. Now you will see what I made. I'm gonna made it just like this, and this is the back. Just like this. Okay, we're gonna make it what I have and all the pieces. I have all my flowers, all of them. And the lighter we're gonna not use again. What we use again now is a heat gun, althans a glue gun. If you look where my glue gun is, I put them there. We'll get it. What we're gonna do is now each of them gonna get a little stip in the glue gun and put another one near them, and we're going to glue them up just like this. little bit. Just like this. We needed small amounts of glue. Follow the line. Glue them up. Okay, this one, the last one. Okay, I have here thread, metallic, this hobby thread, and I got a small one. I made a bow just like this. What we're gonna do is now I'm gonna glue this end here. I'm gonna glue them and I'm gonna roll them up just like this. Okay, let's do that. A little bit amount of glue. I'm gonna glue my thread just like this. And now we're gonna roll it a little bit up. And each time we're gonna roll, we're gonna a little bit glue it up to make some great roll of it. And up at the end, a little bit of glue and hold it tight up, just like this. And now you have a rose, a perfect rose with top on it. Also made this one, a smaller one, just like this, and I can do it more like this one or another ones, and this is the trick. With the flower, this is what I made, and put them in a tulip holder, and you can see it's beautiful. It's not it's not the things of usual it is, but I made also the small one. You can see, you can use it in everywhere what you want it and where you want it. And okay, it was great. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs, thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.